Dr. Kotra Balayogi, Unity College of Teacher Education. He is from India. He won the Best Faculty Award in the event of International Research Awards on New Science Inventions awarded by Science Father. Dr. Kotra Balayogi is an accomplished assistant professor and vice principal at Unity College of Teacher Education in the Nagaland, and with over 17 years of experience in teaching, research and educational administration, he has taught mathematics and education at various levels, including international experience in the USA and Indonesia. Dr. Balayogi excels in leadership with a history of shaping school environments that prioritize student growth, discipline and community engagement. He has published extensively with 65 book chapters, 40 journal articles and numerous presentations at national and international conferences.